seems to have forgotten about Trump's tax bill that passed over the summer. Let's not forget our man brought back bonus depreciation at 100%, dating it back to mid-January of this year. Now, why is that important? Well, my friends, for you business owners, especially you real estate investors, this is an incredible tool at our disposal so we can accelerate and take massive deductions in the first year. Let's take it through the lens of a real estate person. Okay, they have $200,000 taxable income. How do we reduce that? Well, let's dip into our bag of tricks. Let's say they have a new property this year valued at $750,000. Great. Now, if they hadn't done anything else, these default to 27 and a half years, depreciable life, what it's called. So they're going to get about a $30,000, a little bit less deduction every single year, which is good, we'll take it, but it's going to take almost 30 years to recover all that cost and capture all the deduction through depreciation. But I want my cake and eat it too. How do I get it now? Well, before we jump right to Trump and the bonus depreciation, we need to implement what's called a cost segregation study, which is going to be done by a third party. They're going to come in and they're going to value the home. They're going to break it down into different useful lives, different class lives. Anything that gets valued under 20-year useful life is eligible for bonus depreciation. And it's not uncommon when you get these studies done to see about 20% of the property getting reclassed into a useful life under 20 years. So in this example, we can get a $150,000 tax deduction in the first year using 100% bonus depreciation. Translated into tax savings, call it a 20% rate, you're talking about $30,000 in taxes saved. And I know talking about this through the lens of real estate, but this is important for business owners in general. So you should be talking with your advisor within these next 2 months. We got less than 2 months until the end of the tax year. Do some planning, get it done.